Monsieur. Hello there.
Hello.
Oh, Ronnie beat you, but you beat him in the Finnish Mastership.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was the difference this match and when you beat him?
He had better defense now. His defense is really much better than any other players. That's the key to his victories.
Did you find out that from the very first match? You were in the lead 1-0, and then that very unfortunate goal came.
Yeah.
I mean, a goal like that can mean a hell of a lot, Lampi. I mean, looking back now, you know,
No, it
didn't
mean so.
No,
but maybe it could have meant more, but it was the first game, so
okay. Okay. Can you tell us more technically than that? What he defensively, what he stopped you from doing now that he couldn't do in the Finnish Mastership?
I don't know. It just happens to be so that his defense is better in bigger tournaments. In Finnish tournaments, he's not so good usually.
Really?
He needs motivation.
Oh, he told me so too. Yeah, but you are the more not so experienced. I mean, maybe by playing many more tournaments, you will come up to another level too, or wouldn't you think so?
I hope so. I'm quite good already, but Ronnie is still better.
You look fantastic. I think it was a fantastic match with you two great charismas, and the mentally piece means a lot. I mean, don't you think so?
Yeah.
How many times have you played him now, Ronnie? Many matches.
No idea. Very many times.
Okay. And what do you think about the final, Lampi?
Well, the percentage goes to Ronnie, but I think Tmei is kind of player who can beat Ronnie, but it's not very likely.
Okay, why do you think he can beat him?
He's also a very defensive player.
Okay.
Offensive players usually don't beat Ronnie.
Okay. All right, very interesting. Okay. For me, you know, this is I haven't looked at so many matches, so for me I've seen the way you with force shoot with the puck, the way that you want the puck back. You think more like in a chess way with everything you do out there, you know. I think it's really interesting, this inner world. So if we, for the public and for everybody who sees table hockey for the first time, I think we have to, you know, tell them more about this inner world to make it even more interesting. Don't you think so?
That's true.
Okay. Congratulations! Now, will you play about the bronze medal now? Yeah.
I think here is a tradition that
we don't play that. So congratulations to the bronze medal then. Yeah, and good prospects for your future. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, fine.